Good morning, my dear students. Kailash Chandra Panda, Pranta English Pramukh, Shiksha Vikas Samiti Odisha welcomes you to my new English environment. Today we shall discuss the second part of the topic, the village George. In our last episode, we have discussed that the conflict between Jumon Sheikh and his aunt was decided by Olgu in the village panchayat. But Jumon had not expected such a decision from Olgu, which was totally against him. His friendship with Olgu broke up because of this decision. From that day, Olgu and Jumon Sheikh were never to be seen talking together. A year before, Olgu had bought a beautiful pair of bullocks from the fair Batasar. Unfortunately, one of the bullocks died only a month after Jumon's panchayat. Jumon became very happy. Do you know what he said? This is the punishment for his deception. God sees all that good and evil. Olgu also suspected that Jumon had given poison to his bullocks. Even if his wife told to others that Jumon is behind the death of his bullocks. What is the value of a single bullock for a farmer? So Olgu decided to sell the other bullock. Samju Sahu was a businessman who lived in Olgu's village. He had an ekka. He used to drive the ekka to the town. He carried ghee and sugar to the town and returned with salt and oil. Samju Sahu wanted to buy the single bullock from Olgu so that he would make 3 to 4 trips a day easily. He bought the bullock and promised to pay off the price in a month's time. Samju Sahu overworked the bullock. Even he did not give importance about giving fodder or water to the bullock. At last the bullock became very weak and looks like a bag of skin and bone. One evening, Samju put a double load on the ekka. It was the 4th trip of the day. The bullock was dead tired. He did not move. Samju whipped the bullock cruelly. As a result, the bullock died at the spot. After a month, Olgu asked Samju for the price of the bullock. But Samju refused to pay the price. He told, I cannot pay for a dying bullock. Olgu got angry. He was not in a mood to lose 150 rupees. A quarrel arose between the two. So the gentleman of the village advised them to take the matter to the panchayat. And both of them agreed. 3 days after, the panchayat again met under the same tree. As Olgu gave chance to Samju to choose the panch, Samju selected Jumon as the panch. At first, Jumon was surprised. But then he thought to stick to the truth only, because you know the value of panch in a panchayat. The elders put questions to both of them, and at last Jumon declared, Samju, the panchayat have decided that you have to pay the full price of the bullock. The bullock died because of you only. Olgu became so happy that he could not sit silently. He got up and gave a loud cheer. Long live God, that is the punch. The meeting ended. After some time, Juman came to Algu and embraced him. He told, "My dear friend, today I know my fault. After your judgment that I had become your mortal enemy. But today I feel sure that God Himself speaks through the punch. Tears come down from the eyes of the both, and that washed away the enmity." Students, in this way, we completed the story, The Village Judge. Read the topic again and again and prepare yourself for the examination.